Hey, it's Mike, and today I'm visiting Payam at Payam Data Recovery's lab in Sydney to see how they handle a common but serious hard drive problem called bad sectors. Mohammed from Liverpool brought in his Hitachi 160GB hard drive. It was making noise and he'd already tried running data recovery programs at home, which actually made things worse. Payam first plugged it into his Atola Insight forensic tool. The drive was detected with the correct model and capacity, but the smart status and early warning system showed multiple failures. This explains why Mohammed's recovery programs froze his computer. Running software can stress the drive out, cause the heads to crash or may work, but take a long time and give back corrupt files instead of good working files. Instead, Payam used a deep SPA disk imager, professional hardware that uses a custom 4-pass algorithm to safely clone data without stressing the failing heads. 4 hours later, the clone was complete. Payam tested the files to ensure nothing was corrupted, then generated a complete file list and video preview for Mohammed. There is some background info to this job too. Mohammed initially declined the quote by Payam, thinking it was too expensive. He went to a cheaper computer shop who promised to do it for half the price. 2 weeks later, he came back. Their scan would take 2 months and he was told that all file names would be lost and many files corrupted. Payam's professional approach got all his data back in working order with all file names intact. This 12-year-old drive simply died of old age. The lesson? Professional tools and expertise make the difference between success and data loss. Want to prevent this? Download Crystal Disk Info, a free program that monitors your drive's smart status before failure happens.